Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the power of acupuncture to have a good night's sleep. Do you feel tired, irritable, or forgetful during the day? These could be signs that you are not getting enough restful sleep. By the end of the video, you will have learned the 3 most important acupuncture points to promote restful sleep and how to stimulate them to get a good night's sleep. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in medical acupoint therapy. I've helped thousands of people live healthier and happier lives, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos come out. Studies show that poor sleep is linked with a range of problems, from trouble concentrating to weight gain. Poor sleep is also linked with a weakened immune system, low sex drive, an increased tendency to have accidents, high blood pressure, and poor balance. Whether you have long-term problems sleeping or occasional trouble falling asleep, these acupuncture points are designed to help. These points are most often used before bed, but can be used anytime during the day to promote relaxation. The first acupuncture point to stimulate is called Low Zen. In addition to helping with sleep, Low Zen is used for digestive problems, shoulder pain, and neck stiffness. Locate Low Zen on the back of your right hand just before you get to the knuckles between the index finger and your middle finger, right about here. Now press in till you find a tender spot. It could be just a little bit higher or a little lower or off to one side. Stimulate the point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. Next, find Low Zen on your left hand and do it again. During or shortly after stimulating Low Zen, you might notice a sensation of heat or energy in your hand, arm, chest, or neck. This is normal and temporary. After stimulating Low Zen, take a few deep breaths. Open and close your hands, stretch your arms, and just notice they might feel more comfortable and more flexible. The next point is conception vessel 14, known as the Great Gateway. In addition to helping with sleep, conception vessel 14 is used to relieve symptoms of acid reflux, nausea, and palpitations. Conception vessel 14 is said to calm the spirit by reducing nervous system overload. To locate conception vessel 14, place your hand over your umbilicus, place your other finger just above that hand, and push in with deep pressure. You're looking for a tender or painful spot. The spot might be just a little higher or a little lower. Once you've found conception vessel 14, stimulate it by rubbing 5 times quickly. Then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. After stimulating conception vessel 14, take a few deep breaths and gently twist from side to side. Your core may feel stronger and more stable. This is a great point to do before or after exercise. During or shortly after stimulating conception vessel 14, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your abdomen, back, or chest. This is normal and temporary. The third and perhaps simplest way to promote sleep is Heart 7. Heart 7 is known as Spirit Gate. In addition to promoting sleep, Heart 7 is used to help with chest pain, irritation, poor memory, and rapid heartbeat. In Asia, Heart 7 has been used to help persons with autism. To find Heart 7, look at the palm side of your right hand. You'll notice there's a crease just at the base of your palm. There might be a couple of creases. In that case, select the crease that's closest to your palm. Follow along till you reach the pinky side and push in and find a spot that's tender or painful. That's Heart 7. Heart 7 is best stimulated by a gentle tapping with your finger. Remember, this point should be stimulated with a gentle tapping, which should not be painful or unpleasant. Tap rapidly 5 times, rest for a count of 5, then repeat 4 more times. Now find Heart 7 on your left hand and repeat. During or shortly after stimulating Heart 7, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your hand, arm, chest, head, or face. This is normal and temporary. After stimulating Heart 7, take a few deep breaths and see if you notice some heat or energy in your face or ears. If you have trouble sleeping, I recommend that you stimulate these 3 acupuncture points every day for the next 30 days. You may feel more relaxed within minutes of stimulating these acupuncture points, and many people get a great night's sleep. If your sleep does not improve right away, just keep at it. These points have been helping people sleep better for thousands of years. I hope that you have a great night's sleep. Till next time, this is Dr. Baritz signing off, yours for health naturally.